Hi, I'm Alana. I'm an attorney and I live in Chicago. I've had an account with PayPal, wow, now probably 12 years. It's helped me manage my budget because I can see on the screen the ways in which I've spent my money. When I was a kid, my grandma, she taught me how to use spreadsheets. Today, I keep track of spreadsheets. I have so many spreadsheets. I got spreadsheets for my spreadsheets. My number one budgeting tip, it's called a zero-based budget. That means every dollar has a purpose. You can know where the money goes and plan accordingly. PayPal makes it easier for me to both send and receive money through tutoring, through working through my uncle, and also through rewards and online shopping. It really came in handy when I was living in Argentina. I just graduated college, an ATM ate my debit card, and my landlord needed the rent. I was able, through PayPal, to figure out how to get money sent to me, and it really saved my life and kept the roof over my head. I trust PayPal because I know that it's going to be secure. I know that that money is going to get to that person, or I know that I'm going to receive that money, and if something goes wrong, but I have recourse. I love sending and receiving money with PayPal. It's a little dopamine hit.